Welcome to the channel. If you've got a PayPal personal account and you'd like to receive funds, I'll show you a few ways to actually do so. Let's dive in. So if you want to, on your personal PayPal account, receive money, you can simply, and the easiest method is going up to the top once you've logged in and click on Send and Request. And Send and Request will open up a new page, a new dialog, and here you can actually request funds from another user. Here, so let's go ahead. You can go and add a name if it's on your contact list, a username, an email address that's associated with a PayPal account, or a mobile number. So let's go ahead and add one in. Once you have selected that email address, username, or mobile number, you can go ahead and add the amount that you'd like to request right over here. You can also choose the currency. Make sure that the currency that you're using, your PayPal supports, as well as the receiving or the sender will also support. You can add an optional note over here, and once you're ready, you can go and click on request. Now this email address or the email address associated with the PayPal account will receive a request for funds. There is another way of doing it. Let's just go back to send and request. And if you are wanting to send an invoice, even on your personal account, you can do that. So under more options on the right hand side, just click on send invoice. Over here, you will add your sender or whoever's sending the funds, their details, their name or email address, the items that you would like to have this invoiced or paid for. You can attach notes over here. You can add terms and conditions, reference number, a memo to self. You can upload files. And over here, you'll see you can edit the invoice number. You'll also see your subtotal. You can add discount, shipping, and another amount. And then if you go down over here, you will see allow partial payment. So this will allow your customer to actually only pay in part, or also allow tip. So this will allow whoever is paying you to pay more than what you've requested in your invoice. And then you go ahead and click on send. You can also go ahead, you can scan it as a QR code, you can save it as a draft, or you can share a link to the invoice. And that's another way that you can actually request or receive funds from PayPal on your personal account.